In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone on LinkedIn without opening their profile. If you already have a message thread with that person, LinkedIn gives you a quick way to block them directly from your inbox. This is useful if you want to stop contact right away and prefer not to visit their profile page at all. To begin, open LinkedIn and go to your messaging tab. This is where all of your conversations are stored. Once you're there, look through your message list and find the chat thread with the person you want to block. Open that conversation so the message window appears on your screen. Next, move to the top right corner of the message box. You'll see the three dots icon, which is the More menu. Click that to open the available options for that conversation. This menu includes actions related to the message thread, including the option you need to continue. From the menu, select Report Block. LinkedIn will then show you the blocking option for that person. Choose Block and confirm your decision when prompted. Once you do that, the block will be applied and that person will no longer be able to interact with you through LinkedIn in the usual way. This method is especially helpful when you want to act quickly from a conversation that already exists without taking the extra step of opening someone's profile. It can also feel a little more private and direct, since everything happens inside your inbox. As you go through this, make sure you're selecting the correct conversation before confirming the block. If you have several similar chats, it's worth taking an extra second to verify you're in the right message thread. That helps avoid blocking the wrong person by mistake. Also, when LinkedIn asks you to confirm, read the prompt carefully so you know exactly what action is being taken. Blocking is meant to help you manage your experience and protect your space on the platform, so it's a useful tool when needed. And that's it. Open your messaging tab, find the conversation, click the three dots in the top right corner, select Report Block, then choose Block and confirm. It's a simple way to block someone on LinkedIn without ever opening their profile.